Hi, thank you for joining me. It's Miranda Wright, who went to Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, and Russell Brunson's webinar. It was insane, right? There were 250,000 people there, which has got to be some sort of world record. And it was the biggest online training event that Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson have ever had. And if you missed it, never fear, there is a replay. Dean Graziosi has also created a video answering all of your questions on how to profit. This is a post that I made earlier on my Facebook page. So this is what you're going to do if you want to watch the video from Dean Graziosi answering all of your questions. You're going to find this link right here. Here's something I want to share with you though. Down the bottom is, before I forget, PPS down the bottom, I have some super awesome free bribes, bonuses, gifts for you to for purchasing. Let me start again. I have some super awesome free bribes, bonuses, or gifts for you for purchasing Tony, Dean, and Russell's Knowledge Business Blueprint offer as a thank you for purchasing via my affiliate link. Email Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com with a screenshot of your proof of purchase and choice of bonus and your mailing address. Hurry, offer will end soon. Option 1 is the Glamcore Classic Elite 2 Sparkle Edition LED Flexible Salon Studio Lighting. Option 2 is the Luvo Glow Pro 2 Ring Light with microphone or a smartphone/camera mount. Option 3 is the Morph X Jaclyn Hill brushes, okay? I'll get to what they are in a moment. They are gifts directly from me for purchasing via my affiliate link. Does that make sense? So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. This is what you do. Actually, should I go through what the bonuses are first? I will do that, okay? So this is what you're going to get. You get an option of one of these three from emailing me. All right, let me just go tell you again what the email address is. Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com and send a screenshot of your proof of purchase of this is Tony, Dean, and Russell's what they've put together product on their webinar that they introduced to the world at the webinar, okay? If you purchase that and you email Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com with a screenshot of your proof of purchase, I would like you to take a screenshot of the affiliate link at the top of your page when you go to the page and you purchase. I'll show you that in just a moment. Then take a screenshot of the affiliate link at the top, like in your search bar, the numbers at the end. Scroll along. I'm going to show you how to do that, but scroll along and you'll see the numbers at the end. Take a screenshot of that and any sort of invoice that you get from Dean, Russell, and Tony, okay, for purchasing. I want you to email those to Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com so that's proof to me that you've purchased through my link. And these are special gifts that I'm giving to you personally for purchasing through my link. Does that make sense? So that's my thank you to you. They're gifts from me. And when you purchase their product, they're going to give you their own bonuses, okay, on top of that. So it's a lot of value that you are getting, okay? So this is how you do it. You find my post. Here is the link there to go to Dean's question and answer video. So you click on that. So as you can see up the top, this scroll bar, I don't know if you can see, but if you scroll along, right at the end, I'm not going to show it now, because I want you to actually take a screenshot of the actual number. Right at the very end, you'll see my affiliate number. So I want you to screenshot that and send it to me, okay? So this is what you'll get to when you click that link. April 30th, the most asked questions finally answered. Watch the video below for a speed recap of Tuesday's live training with Tony, Dean, and Russell. Okay, watch the entire replay, click here. So you can click up the top to watch the replay again. Okay, that's not going to be available for very long. So I suggest you go and click that and rewatch that or watch it for the first time if you didn't catch the webinar. Okay, And this is Tony's question
Hey,
and
it's
answer
Dean.
video.
What's up? I'm so glad you're right here, right now, because I'm going to cover a few things that we missed on the live training that you asked, and it is a must to know. Do not turn away from this video. It's that important. But first, oh my God, were you on the live training with Tony and myself and Russell later on? Tony was on fire in a way I haven't seen in years. He had so much fun delivering to you because guess what? It was the biggest live event Tony and myself and Russell have ever done in our entire lives. Over 200,000 people came to see us while we were live. We literally had the biggest online live training in the history of the internet. Thank you so much. Thank you for playing full out. Thank you for the tens and tens of thousands of positive comments where you were like, oh my God, I get it. But with that said, it was live. And sometimes live, we had our notes and a few things, but we missed a few things we wanted to share. And though we had so many people say, I'm in, I love this, I want to profit from an industry that's heading towards $1 billion a day. I want to profit from this emerging industry where I can share my knowledge, my expertise, my passion, and make a profit and an impact. Or profit from someone else's knowledge, someone else's wisdom. And we showed you the blueprint on how to do it. And it was so awesome because we brought people in and said, maybe. And by the time we were done, if you were there, you're like, oh my God, a broken education system is being replaced by the knowledge business. And I want to be in it, whether I'm the expert or not, whether I've never done this before or I have, whether I'm in business to the next level or just starting my business. And literally, I think we started a movement. So why this video? First off, if you didn't watch the entire...
Okay, so I'll let you watch the rest of that video. That was just a sneak peek of what you'll see. Okay, so this particular, let me just go here. So it did have a button at the bottom, which took you to this page here to order. I don't know why that call to action button's been removed. So maybe it pops up at the end of the video. Let me just see.
Us now, then who when?
Rock 'em.
When you click on the call to action button, I'll work out what's going on there, but a call to action button should pop up, and this is where it will take you. I'll give you the order link anyway. If you want to go, I've got the link. If you want to go purchase this, when you watch the replay and watch that question and answer video from Dean, if you want to purchase what they're offering in the video, I'll give you the link where you can go purchase. This is email mirandaWright@marketonlinecourses.com. All right, for the link to purchase, and then you email me back when you have reached this page and ordered what they're offering. Okay. They're providing their own bonuses, which is the incredibly designed 4-module training course, the Knowledge Business Blueprint, how to extract your knowledge, fill your events seamlessly, run them online or in person, profit from someone else's knowledge, free year of the MindMint software, the curriculum designer, point and click web builder and event wizard, the private KBB Facebook group, the in-depth KBB workbook, plus these bonuses. Unleash the power within, peek into Tony's most well-known live event, and feel the transformation from the comfort of your own home. Live monthly training with Dean. Stay on track to fill your stay on track to your full potential by learning Dean's biggest breakthroughs live every month. funnels to fill. Learn the next level marketing strategies to fill your events automatically from one of the best on the planet, Russell Brunson. The traffic bundle. Get the traffic secrets training from Dean's personal in-house marketing team. All that's yours for only $1,997. The total value being $5,175. So you're getting all that value. Plus, I'm going to throw in my own bonuses, which is you get to choose what your bonus is, okay? It is a choice of these awesome looking lights. The Glam Claw Classic Elite 2 Sparkle Edition, okay? That's $377.95 in Australia. I'm giving that to you for free if you choose that bonus, or you may wish to choose the Morph X Jacqueline Hill brushes, which has a $394 value. That's going to you free if you want the brushes. That's your choice of bonus. Or the Luvo ring light, which you can mount your camera and phone in the middle and make your course or mastermind videos for advertising your course or mastermind or workshop, and also for your actual teaching videos, instructional videos, training videos, where if you're a makeup artist and you're applying your own makeup or on somebody else, you can film using this and put them into your online course, okay? Or your in-person course if you're doing it like in person or online, whether that be a course, a workshop, or a mastermind, okay? This is going to help you do that. And it's also going to do is provide you no excuses. You're going to have the equipment to do it. And what makeup artists have told me is that I asked what's something that they struggle with, and makeup artists said that they don't know what lighting to use, or they don't have lighting for their videos. So this provides them with no excuses. They're going to have what they need, so they can go ahead and create their advertising videos for their course or mastermind or workshop, and also the actual training videos for their course, mastermind, or workshop, whether that be online or offline. It doesn't matter, all right? So you're going to have the tools you need to do exactly what you want to do, all right? Does that make sense? So go watch this. Go to the link that I've provided with this video. Click on the link. It will take you to this page. Watch the question and answer video. Watch the entire replay of the webinar here. If you wish to do so, there's supposed to be a call to action button pop up, but it's not. If it doesn't, email me at miranda.wright@marketonlinecourses.com. I'll provide you with the order page link to go purchase. Okay, it will take you to this page here. Purchase what they're offering. Email me, take a screenshot of your receipt and of the link at the top of the search bar there, and send that to me, and I will provide you with your choice of bonus. Okay, but tell me which bonus it is that you want and provide me with your mailing address. Does that make sense? So thank you for joining me. I'm Miranda Wright. Go ahead and do that, because this offer is not going to last forever. They will pull down these videos very, very soon, okay? Things are moving fast. So go ahead and do that and watch it while you still can. If you didn't catch the webinar, watch the replay. If you have questions, go watch that question answer video from Dean, which is here. Go watch Dean's video, this one, if you have questions. And here it is.
Someone else's wisdom. And we showed you the blueprint.
Here you go. You can click that there. It'll take you to this page. It is there. Sorry.
We brought people in and said, maybe. And by the time we were done, if you were there, you're like,
my computer's just playing up.
A broken education system is being replaced by the knowledge business, and I want to be in it, whether I'm the expert or not, whether I've never done this before or I have, whether I'm in business to the next level or just starting my business. And literally, I think we started
Okay.
a movement.
So it is at the bottom. If it's not at the bottom, email me and I'll provide you with the link to the order page. Does that make sense? Okay, so go look out for my post or the information with this video and click on that link to go to the question and answer page. That's all you need to do to get these bonuses from me while you still can, because I'm not going to be providing those bonuses for very long. Okay? It's a bribe from me to take action. It's for your own good, so go do it. This is for you if you want to create a mastermind, a workshop, or a course, whether that be online or offline. If you are an expert, if you are not an expert, you can leverage other people's knowledge and be a knowledge broker. If you don't know what that is, you need to go watch the replay of the webinar. Does that make sense? Go do that now while you still can. Don't miss out on this. Bye for now. I'm Miranda Wright.